Hi, to change wallpaper on your POCO X7, firstly we just need to open settings and here find wallpaper and personalization tab. After that, you should see those options for your wallpapers. So we got here editor's peaks. You can swipe left and check all of the available options. You can select something from this new tab. And of course, we can choose something from system wallpapers. And also you can go in online wallpapers. And here you should see many options for your wallpapers. So if you like something, just tap apply. And after that, choose to set it as lock screen, home screen, or both. Or we can go back in settings and select something from the list. For example, I want to choose this one from new tab, choose to apply and set as home screen. Now this wallpaper is applied to home screen, so let's go back and find something for the lock screen. So for now we can go in editor's pick and choose something from here. For example, I like this planet, so let's select it, choose to apply and set as lock screen. Here we can also turn on or off wallpaper mix. I'm gonna turn it off. And now this wallpaper is applied. So here is my new home screen. And now let's check lock screen. And yep, here it is. Really perfect. We can also press and hold our lock screen, then enter protection. Here, let me just tap next. And now we can just swipe up or down to check more options for the lock screen. So you can set wallpaper directly from your lock screen and then tap to apply. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.